For dependent sample test, t-test and Wilcoxon signed rank test. The question is, 10 research students were given a test. They were given a month's special coaching and second test was taken at the end of it. The marks are as follows. Marks of test 1 is given and marks of test 2 is given. Now do the marks give evidence that students have benefited by extra coaching? We will test this hypothesis first by t-test, which is parametric test, and then by Wilcoxon signed rank test, which is non-parametric. Now the question is, 10 research students were given a test. They were given a month special coaching and the second test was taken or conducted. The marks obtained are as follows. Marks of first test, marks of second test are given. Extra coaching is there. Means pre-testing and after testing. One test was taken before the coaching and other one was after the coaching. Is extra coaching benefited the students? Now the question is extra coaching benefited the students? Let mean of test 1 is mu1 and mean of test 2 is mu2. Now two possibilities are there. Number 1, mean of test 1 equals to mean of test 2. Number 2, mean of test 1 is not equals to mean of test 2, which means mean of test 1 is greater than mean of test 2 or mean of test 1 is less than mean of test 2. Now take, if extra coaching does not benefited the students, means students are getting no benefit from the extra coaching, means mean of test 1 is equals to mean of test 2. First condition is there. Take this as null hypothesis. Marks of test 1 is given. Marks of test 1, marks of test 2. (36), 40, 38, 36, 42, 38, 40, 46, 58, 62. And marks of test 2, 32, 42, 30, 24, 18, 64, 32, 40, 52, 38. Test 1 marks and test 2 marks. Take it as x1 and x2. Assume it as x1 and x2. Now find d. D equals to x2 minus x1. Means x2 minus x1. 32 minus 36 minus 4. 42 minus 42. 42 minus 40. 30 minus 38 minus 8. 24 minus 36 minus 12. 18 minus 42. 18 minus 42 minus 24, then 26 minus 8 minus 6 minus 6, 38 minus 62 minus 24. Find d square. Square of this column. D square is square of this column. 16, 2 into 2, 4, 8 square, 64, 144, 576, 676, 64, 36, 36, 24 square is 576. Here n equals to 10. N equals to 10. Summation of d is by adding all these terms we get minus 64. And summation of d square is 2192. By adding all these terms we get 2192. Now let us assume that H naught means null hypothesis such that mu1 minus mu2 equals to 0. Means there is no difference between mean of test 1 and test 2. Means mu1 equals to mu2. Means mu1 minus mu2 equals to 0 are null hypothesis. And alternative, mu1 is greater than mu2. Alternative hypothesis. And second, HA means alternative. Mu1, take it, mu2 minus mu1. Mu2 is greater than mu1. Mu2 is greater than mu1. Mu2 minus mu1 equals to 0 means students are not benefited by extra coaching. If mu2 is greater than mu1, then students are benefited by extra coaching. Students are benefited by extra coaching. Here it is mu2 minus mu1. Now for one tail test, our t stat is d dash by s under root n. D dash s under root 10 for single tail, one tail test. Now we have to calculate d dash standard deviation. N is 10. D dash standard deviation and n. First calculate d dash. Now d dash is mean of differences. D dash is summation d by n equals to minus 64 by 10, which is equals to minus 6.4. Summation d is minus 64. Therefore d dash equals to summation d by n. Minus 64 by 10 means minus 6.4. And next is standard deviation. Formula of standard deviation is summation d square minus d dash square into n divided by n minus 1 degree of freedom. D square is 2192. D dash means mean minus 6.4 and n is 10. We get 2192 minus minus 6.4 square into 10 over 10 minus 1, which is equals to 14.07 approximately. Therefore, S equals to 14.07. Standard deviation is 14.07. D dash is this. Now put value of D dash and S in T stat. T stat. We get T static equals to minus 6.4. D dash is minus 6.4. D dash is minus 6.4. Standard deviation is 14.07. 14.07 divided by under root n. Under root 10, which is equals to 20.23 divided by 14.07 equals to 1.438. 1.438. Therefore, T calculated value equals to 1.438. by applying T stat. Now next, degree of freedom. Degree of freedom for T test is nu equals to n minus 1. Nu equals to 10 minus 1. Nu equals to 9. Therefore, degree of freedom is nu equals to 9. Now for nu equals to 9 means degree of freedom equals to 9, one tail test at 5% confidence level means T 0.05. Table value of T is 1.833. For nu equals to 9, degree of freedom equals to 9, one tail test, T value at 5% level is from table value 1.833, which means from calculated value and comparing the table value, means calculated value is less than table value. 1.4 is less than 1.8. Calculated value is less than table value. 1.438 is less than 1.833. Calculated value or calculated value is less than table value. So we can, which implies H0 is accepted. By T stat formulation, if calculated value is less than table value, we accept null hypothesis. Means H0 such that mu1 minus mu2 equals to 0. Means mean of both the tests are same. Means students are not benefited by extra coaching. Students are not benefited by extra coaching as H0 is accepted. This is T test. Marks of first group, marks of second group. First assume null hypothesis. Mean of both the tests are same. Then alternative, mean of second test is greater than first test. T stat, mean of differences divided by standard deviation divided by degree of freedom, or number of terms, number of students, number of observations by one-tail test. Then calculate D dash, standard deviation, put all these two values in T test, we get T stat is 1.438. Now degree of freedom is n-1 means 9. Then calculate, check the table value by using T table at 5% level in one tail test is 1.833. Now calculated value is less than table value. We can accept null hypothesis, means mean of both the tests are same, assumed to be same. Therefore, students are not benefited by extra coaching. We can conclude that students are not benefited by extra coaching by testing the hypothesis by T test. Now, second case. Same question by Wilcoxon signed rank test, non-parametric test. Same question by Wilcoxon signed rank test. Marks of test 1 and test 2 are given. Marks of test 1, marks of test 2 are given. 36, 40, 38, 36, 42, 38, 40, 46, 58, 62, 36, 40, 38, 36, 40, 38, 40, 46, 58 and 62. Marks of second test 32, 42, 30, 24, 18, 64, 32, 40, 52 and 38. Assume it as X and Y. Now calculate difference, same as T test. Difference is X minus Y. Minus 4, 2, 8, 12, 42 minus 18, 24, minus 26, 8, 6, 6 and 24. Difference of these two columns. Now calculate D modulus. Just ignore the negative signs. We get 4, 2, 8, 12, 24, 26, 8, 6, 6, 24. First three columns are same as T test in Wilcoxon signed rank test. Now calculate rank by ignoring plus minus sign. Rank. Always give first rank to lowest D. Lowest number from D is 2. Give rank number 1. Then 4. Rank number 2. Then we have 2, 6. Give rank 3 and 4. Then 8. 5. Again 8 is there. 6. 12. 7. Then 24. 2 24 are there. 8, 7, 8. And 9, 26, 10. Now clashes are there. First one is 8 is repeated 2 times. rank is 5 and 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 divided by 2, 5.5. Right? 5.5 over here and 5.5 over here. 8 is repeated 2 times. Rank of 8 is 5 and 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 divided by 2, 5.5. 5.5. Now next one is 6 is repeated 2 times. Rank of 6 is 3 and 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Average of 7 is 3.5. 3.5 and 3.5. And 24 is again repeated 2 times. 24. Rank of 24 is 8 and rank of 24 is 9. 8 plus 9, 17. Average of 17 divided by 2 is 8.5 and 8.5. Now next step. Signed ranks. We have to calculate signed ranks. R plus and R minus. R plus and R minus. See this. First one, difference is -4. Corresponding rank is 2. Therefore, write 2 in minus column. Write 2 over here. These are negative ranks. These are positive ranks. D for first number is -4. First difference is -4. Their corresponding rank is 2. Therefore, write 2 in negative sign. Here 2 is positive. Corresponding rank is 1. Therefore, write 1 in positive side. Again 8 positive. Corresponding rank is 5.5. Write in positive side. 12 positive. Corresponding rank is 7. Write in positive column side. 24. Corresponding rank is 8.5. Write in positive sign. Then -26. Corresponding rank is 10. Write this 10 in negative sign. Negative side. 10. Again positive. 5.5. 3.5. 3.5 and 8.5. Means we have two negative differences and their corresponding rank are 2 and 10. Write these 2 in negative sign, negative rank side. Rest are positive. Now we have summation of R plus is by adding all R plus ranks 43 and summation of R negative is summation of R negative is 10 plus 2 12. Summation of positive ranks and summation of negative ranks, and n is 10. Here n is 10. Now null hypothesis. H naught is same as t test. Mu1 is equals to mu naught. Means students are not benefited. Means students are not benefited by extra coaching. And alternative hypothesis is mu2 is greater than mu1. Means students are benefited. Right? Null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Now first, calculated value of t stat. calculated value of T static is in Wilcoxon signed rank test. Calculated value means T stat is minimum of summation of R plus and summation of R minus if n is less than equals to 25. This is formula, we can say, or formulation to calculate T stat in Wilcoxon signed rank test. Therefore, T static is minimum of R plus and R negative. We have 43 and 12. Therefore, minimum from 43 and 12 is 12. Therefore, T stat is equals to 12, which is calculated value by Wilcoxon sign test. T stat is minimum of positive and some summation of positive and negative signs. Therefore, T stat is 12. Now, for table value from Wilcoxon's table, T stat is at 5% confidence level for n equals to 10. Here n is 10. We get T equals to 8. From Wilcoxon signed rank test table, from Wilcoxon's rank signed test table at 5% confidence level for n equals to 10, we get T equals to 8. For n equals to 10, we get T equals to 8 in one tail test. Therefore, which implies, which is table value. Table value. This is calculated value and this is table value for n equals to 10 from Wilcoxon's table. So from calculated value and table value, we get calculated value is greater than table value or critical value, which implies T calculated is greater than T critical value. T calculated value is greater than T critical value. We can conclude that H naught is accepted if calculated value for Wilcoxon sign test is greater than critical value or table value. We can accept H naught, which is equals to mu1 equals to mu2, means students are not benefited by extra coaching. Benefit by extra coaching, which is same as T test. Hypothesis result is same as T test. So from both the test, parametric and non-parametric, first we have applied T test, which is parametric, and then Wilcoxon sign test, which is non-parametric for paired sampled. For paired sample, results are same. This is Wilcoxon signed rank test. 2 marks are given, set of marks are given, difference, first calculate difference, then modulus of difference means ignore negative sign, then rank, give rank to D. Clear? Then deal with same ranks by average, then signed ranks, positive ranks and negative ranks. Calculate sum of positive ranks, sum of negative ranks. T stat stat. In Wilcoxon sign test, T stat is minimum of sum of positive ranks and sum of negative ranks. Here 43 is sum of positive rank and 12 is sum of negative ranks. Therefore, T stat is 12. Means minimum of 43 and 12 is 12. This is calculated value by Wilcoxon sign rank test formulation. Then table value at 5% confidence level for n equals to 10 is 8. Therefore, calculated value is greater than table value. We can accept null hypothesis, means students are not benefited by extra coaching.